Okay, we're talking about the formation of sedimentary rocks. First thing you need to know is that sedimentary rocks are made of pieces, tiny pieces of rock that are stuck together. These tiny pieces of rocks are called sediment. Keep in mind, these aren't the size of gravel or pebbles. These are extremely small, almost like a grain of sand. They can be composed of rock, minerals, and any other organic material like plants. A sedimentary rock goes through a cycle. A cycle is something that goes around, or it happens again and again. In other words, the process is never ending. It doesn't stop. For the last part of this, we are going to go through the different steps in making a sedimentary rock. First step is weathering. This is when rocks are broken down into those small pieces or into sediment. In other words, you have maybe a rock, maybe a mountain. For us, it's going to be rock because of the lack of space. And it's being broken down into these tiny pieces. This can happen through wind, running water, or rain. Our next step is going to be erosion. Erosion is when sediments are moved or carried away. So let's say that we're in a windy area and the sediments that came from our rock are now being blown away. They're going to be blown to a new place. When they get to that place, they are going to be dropped. This is called deposition. Our next step is compaction. So the sediments are being stacked together, one on top of the other. Our last step is cementation. This is when sediments are glued or stuck together. At this point, they have formed a completely new rock. For your summary, I want you to take a minute and tell me how a sedimentary rock is made in your own words.